Imagine stepping into a cave where the walls aren't made of rock, but of giant crystals. Some as long as a bus, others as thick as tree trunks, glowing white in the dim light like frozen lightning.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
It sounds like a fantasy world, a place of impossible beauty. But this place is real, hidden beneath the desert of northern Mexico. Welcome to the Cave of the Crystals, one of Earth's most breathtaking and deadliest natural wonders. The Cave of the Crystals was discovered in April 2000 by miners Juan and Pedro Sanchez, nearly 300 meters, or 980 feet, below the surface in the Naica mine, Mexico. These miners, drilling for silver, zinc, and lead, accidentally broke into a chamber filled with sparkling light. This chamber, measuring about 109 meters in length, holds a volume of up to 6,000 cubic meters. The cave was like an oven, with temperatures over 58 degrees Celsius and humidity near 100%. This combination is comparable to Death Valley's heat, but with much wetter air, preventing cooling via sweating. It's so extreme that humans can only survive inside for a few minutes without specialized protection. Researchers exploring the cave use special refrigerated suits and cold breathing systems. These suits, fitted with refrigerating tubes and connected to a backpack with cold water and ice, provide only about half an hour of autonomy. Beautiful? Absolutely. Deadly? Definitely. So, how did these enormous crystals grow here? The formation began approximately 26 million years ago when magma pushed its way toward the Earth's surface through regional fault lines. This magma heated groundwater, which became saturated with minerals, including large quantities of calcium sulfate. The cave was filled with this mineral-rich hot water for about 500,000 years. As the water cooled slowly over hundreds of thousands of years, anhydrite precipitated. When the temperature dropped below 56 degrees Celsius, the anhydrite dissolved and gypsum crystals began to form. This extremely slow process, occurring over millennia, allowed the crystals to grow to enormous sizes. A 2011 study suggested it took between 500,000 to 900,000 years to grow a 1-meter diameter crystal. The result, some of the largest natural crystals ever found on Earth, reaching up to 11.40 meters long and weighing an estimated 12 tons. Mother Nature basically made her own art installation, then locked it away underground. The Cave of the Crystals might look like Superman's fortress, but it's no place for humans or most life forms. The searing heat and humidity mean your lungs fill with water vapor in minutes. Researchers discovered microbes trapped inside the crystals, organisms possibly 50,000 years old, revived after millennia in hibernation. These microorganisms are significantly different from most known life forms. They appear to live off manganese, iron, and other metallic elements. It's one of the most extreme environments on Earth, and it's rewriting what we thought life could endure. Sadly, this glittering cathedral of crystals is as fragile as it is beautiful. When mining operations stopped pumping water out, the cave began reflooding, sealing itself off once again. Ironically, that's good news for the crystals. The flooding preserves them from air and human interference. The crystals deteriorate in the air, so reflooding protects them. For now, the Cave of the Crystals sleeps again, hidden under Naica, Earth's buried treasure chest. The cave was allowed to reflood in October 2015. The Cave of the Crystals is both a warning and a wonder, proof that beauty and danger often share the same space. It reminds us that some of Earth's greatest masterpieces aren't made for us to keep, only to glimpse. And beneath our feet, in the silent dark, the planet is still building wonders we may never see again.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.